DeFi Land is a place where user can do anything with its cryptos from staking, swapping, yield farming and also exchanging tokens. A part of cryptocurrency is finance. One of the reasons why many users stay away from cryptocurrencies is because of the complex nature of its product offerings. Products like swapping, staking, and many other features which revolve around decentralized finance are not easy to understand for a layman. Now what if there is a project that helps users to understand all this project using gaming as a medium? Well, that's what the project is about. Welcome to Tubes. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video I will talk about DeFi Land. This project aims to solve your problems of interacting with cryptocurrency and help you understand how the crypto products work and how you can make income using their platform. I will talk in length about this project, so do watch the complete video. And before I start, as a ritual, I welcome you on board. If you are new to the channel, just click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive weekly crypto notification. And if you are a reader who wish to read about cryptocurrencies and other related crypto projects, do check out the description box and visit my website, which is katostubes.com, and read every article of your choice. Having said that, it's time to jump right in and explore DeFi Land. Before I take you through the list of topics, let me tell you the platform on which we are active. We are definitely active on YouTube, but we are also active on Twitter and we are also active on Meta. If you wish to spark a conversation with us, do check out and visit our handle on Twitter, which is katostubes, and get connected with us. Now let's start with the list of topics. I will start with what is DeFi Land. Next I will talk about what is DeFi Coin, how DeFi make money, DeFi Land gameplay, DeFi Land IDO, followed by benefits and drawbacks, and finally I will end the discussion with DFL coin price prediction. Now we'll start with what is DeFi Land. DeFi Land is a multi-chain browser-based simulation game which was built on the Solana blockchain. Based on an agriculture theme, it was launched in the year 2021. The core concept why this particular project or the game is created is because it wishes to help or educate users understand the concepts of cryptocurrencies. Right from trading to swapping, farming and staking, everything is covered in this game. As a player, you can earn your way. You can start as a free trial and then move your way up to play to earn concept and earn and learn the concepts of the cryptocurrencies side by side. It has a various gameplays which I will talk next in this video. Now, talking about the team has a total of 15 members, at least at the time of creating this video. These 15 members are very active on Twitter, but they are known by pseudonyms, which means the real identity of these team members are still unknown. On the bright side, if you look at the investor front, it has a total of 27 investors. Yes, this project has 27 investors on board, bringing in a total value of $4.1 million in Series A funding round. Top investors from Animoca Brands to FTX are the key players who have invested in this project. Now, if Animoca Brands ring a bell, you must know that Animoca Brands is behind the success or the creation of Sandbox Crypto Metaverse. If you wish to learn about Sandbox Crypto Metaverse, you can click on the link above and check out that video on Sandbox project. That is also one of the promising project. Next, I will talk about DeFi Land token, which is DFL. Just like any other network, DFL token perform a similar set of functions. The key utilities ranges from governance, staking and incentives, and finally trading. The total supply of DFL token is 10 billion and it was launched in the year 2021 as part of the IDO, which I will discuss later in this video. If you want to know the total breakup of this DFL tokens, how it is distributed, you can refer to the chart right over here. So next, I will talk about how DeFi Land is planning to make money or build a revenue model. From looking at the project, it's quite clear that DeFi Land has something up in mind which ranges from NFT marketplaces, land sales, and in-game advertising are some of the ways in which it is planning to raise money. It has already put 7,500 land units in sale in the month of Jan 2022 and planning to expand its sales season in this coming year. Apart from it, it also wants to generate money from NFT marketplace and also allow users or companies who can advertise in-game within its ecosystem that can attract more eyeballs, which will bring more impression to the companies who invested in in-game advertising and definitely more revenue to DeFi Land platform. So that's how DeFi Land is planning to raise money in the coming future, and next I will talk about its key feature, which is its gameplay. Now gameplay is a core concept that runs the DeFi Land. It has a two set of gameplays defined within the system, which is free to play and play to earn. Just like the name goes, free to play is the place where user can enter the game and they can play it and earn their way up to the play to earn model. And it's in the play to earn model in which users like you and me can earn real cryptos in the form of DeFi Land token or DFL tokens. Now within the game, it has further break up into many set of games. You have mini games, you have idle games, you have buildings, you have DeFi exchanges. For example, there is a building called as houses, then there is markets, and there is seed laboratories, just like this one. Take for example, in the markets within the DeFi Land is a kind of setup in which you can swap your tokens using the platform like Radium, Serum Dex, and many more. Similarly, when it comes to mini games, which are action-based game, you can play shooting, you can do fishing, you can race and earn points which can be redeemed against DeFi Land tokens if you earn better points in the game. Next comes the idle games, which are basically for the laid-back users who like to play it, take it simple, and play games like petting animals and cleaning lands. Similarly, all these concepts can be replicated into play-to-earn model in which users can play aggressively and they can earn DFL token and side by side also learn how to stake, how to swap, and how to earn more cryptos using yield farming. All this within a gaming environment. Now after listening to all this concept, if you believe that DeFi Land is a place where user can do anything with its cryptos from staking, swapping, yield farming and also exchanging tokens, you may be correct. It is going to be a place, a one-stop shop for all your crypto needs. That is what I believe. Of course, if the project pans out correctly. Next, I will talk about DeFi Land IDO. So in the year of October 2021, the IDO was announced and the whitelisting took place in which a coin, the one coin which is 1 DFL, was offered to the public at a rate of 0.005 USDC only. Now the investors who got a chance to invest in this token has already gained a total of 158x return on their initial investment. Now the complete process was taken care of by the Solana Launchpad, which launched all the projects which are listed on the Solana blockchain. Now let's talk about benefits and drawbacks of this particular project. So let me start with the benefit first, which is quite clear by now that the project aims to build a collaborative environment. It always says that it's not behind any competition. It wants every other crypto project to be part of its environment. You already have Serum Dex, you already have Radium, you already have many other projects like Orca onboarded on its network. The latest one to onboard on its network is Solice Crypto Metaverse, offering SLC tokens to the users. Now if you want to learn about Solice Metaverse, you can click on the link above and read about that amazing Metaverse project. Of course, that is also built on Solana blockchain. Now apart from a collaborative environment, it also aims to turn into multi-chain, as I explained earlier in the video. Now by multi-chain means it will start with Solana, then it will expand to Ethereum, Avalanche and any other blockchain which are there in the crypto world. Now making it multi-chain will help it expand its reach to other blockchains, and definitely that will allow it to onboard many users on the platform in one go, and definitely that will increase the overall demand of DFL token in the near future as expected by the team itself. So these are few of the benefits. If you want to learn about the more benefits of this project, you can click on the link in the description box and read about DeFi Land project. And now when it comes to drawbacks, the drawbacks is quite common, I say. The number one is the team is pseudonym. There is no identity of the team which is revealed to the general public. So that will be quite dicey to predict the future of the project. But if you see the backup, the people behind or people who invest in the project are actually the top leaders in the crypto space. You have FTX, you have Animoca brands backing the project, which means the drawback of unknown founder can be put aside when you take into consideration the investors in this project. Now apart from it, I didn't see much of the drawback of this project, but if you wish to see or learn about the drawbacks, again you can check out the post which is shared in the description of the video. Now after benefits and drawbacks, the final part is the price prediction of the DFL token. Now launched in the year 2021, the token has a booming start. It has helped investors gain a 158x return on their initial investment when they invested at a rate of just 0.0005 USDC per token. Unfortunately, the token was launched near in the bearish run. Therefore, at the time of creating the video and the chart that you can see right over here, the coin is declining day by day. But that is quite common because all the market is under crypto crash, and after the Russian invasion of Ukraine, the market has crashed further. So if you ask me to predict the price of the coin at this moment, it is very difficult to predict for me because there is no chart, there is no clarity in the chart which can be determined or which can give me a hint where the coin can go next. As you can see here, the total chart is in a downtrend and there is no sign of recovery as of now as such, but that's not the mistake of the coin, that's the market. Now on the bright side, if you talk about the project looks quite bullish to me because it aims to become a collaborative environment which is going to onboard many other projects on its platform. Don't be surprised if it's launched in Ethereum and onboard all its top projects like Aave and many other projects building on Ethereum. So I'm quite bullish on the project. On the bright side, I must say in the bull run it has the potential to touch and cross 50 cents per token mark. That is quite conservative if you ask me. Now if you are following DeFi Land and DFL token and also playing the game within the system, let me know your thoughts about this project. Do comment below and share your opinion, and I will be happy to respond to it. So that's all about the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do watch the videos shared on the screen. I'll see you next week with a new content and the new video. Till then, take care and do remember to subscribe.